So here's Ashes and Soot Tangle tutorial of a Santa hat. So ashes and soot seemed appropriate. So I just sketched a Santa hat and then I inked it. And at the bottom, I kind of started out with the Tangle Muka, but didn't really complete the Muka, and then just ended up auraing this almost number 9 or 6, depending which way it's facing you. And I just auraed around it, and that was it. And then I did another one on the other side, and then I just had the auras kind of go wherever they went, which I really enjoyed this. This was also done on a live as well. So again, I like to start with gratitude. Find the things that you're grateful for. Take some deep breaths in and breathe in those things that you're grateful for on the exhale. Let all the junk out. I imagine it going right out my toes. Anything from the day, from 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, I just let it go. So I'm in the present moment when I'm tangling. Just focusing on self-care, me, my breath, and taking care of me. So once I got done with all of these kind of like auraed, I guess, numbers, I went into Senna. So I divided the hat into sections, and each section I just auraed the original line however I wanted to. And you could do this where it goes straight over to the next line. You can do where it kind of guides along the line. Just do whatever feels good to you. And so I did this for the rest of the hat, paying attention to myself. Am I breathing? Am I holding my breath? Am I biting the inside of my cheek? Am I grinding my teeth or clenching my toes? Am I holding the pen too tight and pushing down too hard with the pen, noticing that I'm getting hand and wrist pain? So just kind of noticing those things. The more you begin to relax when you tangle, the cooler your tangle will come out. Because I really very much believe that the more you focus on the important parts of you, the journey to the tangling is really what's important. The tangle at the end is just a bonus. So all I'm doing here is adding some ink at the bottom, which is called weighting, to these kind of spiraled lines here at the base of the hat. And you can do that wherever you feel like you want to put it. There's no rhyme or reason. Just kind of go with it. Let your ego take a break. Your ego is going to want a perfect line, a perfect circle, and that is not at all what this is about. This is very much about being perfectly imperfect. So this is how it ended. I added quite a bit of fun little mediums, from charcoal to graphite to a glitter pen. I had to actually move it to get it in the perfect light to see the glitter, but you can kind of start to see the gold tones to the glitter. Now I have links to all these things in the description of this video. Grabby is my go-to for pens, all of that at this point. That's who I use the most. Some of them are in my Amazon affiliate link, where I have a Tangle supply list where you'll find the microns, things like that. I also have kits, some in my Etsy shop, some on my website. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give a comment. See you next time.